Articles. There are three articles: a and the. Articles have been divided into two groups: indefinite article and definite article. We use a and an to talk about something for the first time or something that is not specific. First, let us learn about an. An is used before words that begin with a vowel, sound or letter. These words are called vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Now look at this example. Every word has a vowel at the beginning. So we have to write an before these words. Another example: he's an actor. I bought an umbrella. An insect stung me. Now let us learn about a. A is used before words that begin with a consonant, sound or letter. From A to Z except vowels, all the letters are consonants. Now let us look for some of the examples. Here A is used before every word because the first letters are consonant. Another example: there is a dog, this is a mango, a shopkeeper met the peddler. Now let us talk about the. We use the when we talk about something definite, something particular, something which has been mentioned earlier too. Example: shall I open the window? The apple you bought is delicious. There is a dog in his house. The dog is very dangerous. The is also used with proper name of books, rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges. Example: the Holy Bible, the Himalayas, the Nile River.